Hey, Tiny Dream Team, we are bringing you our second video from Pearce Auctions in Alabaster, Alabama. The address is 720 Fulton Springs Road, Alabaster, Alabama. We are here. It is April 13th. We are here. It's approximately 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
2024.
Central Time, 2024. And this auction ends Thursday, April 18th. 7 p.m. Central US time, and we're showing you a couple of things that are up for auction. Our first video, we showed you some unfoldable storage containers made by Digit, and I forget the name, EING. And now we're going to show you a couple of, or just one of the storage containers they have. The one we're going to look at here, this is an 8 by 40, so that's approximately 320 square feet. These are 2023 brand new storage containers. Okay, now as of about 2 o'clock this afternoon, actually 2:30, the bid prices are, they have 3 of them, lot number 1, lot number 2, and lot number 3. Bid prices are between $3,600 and $4,100. You always want to see cheap. This needs a complete build out. These are 2023, not refurbished, brand new. Don't have
no rust.
No rust. Don't have all the dents and
except
dings.
for surface rust. You know how it is. There's always a little bit of
These are
surface.
kind of interesting in that you have 4 sets of doors across the front.
Yeah, so you can choose any doors you want to be your front door, right?
Yeah. I would likely choose the 2 sets of middle ones, and I would build that out as a couple of sliding doors, make that central part your living room.
Right. Remove those.
Yeah, get rid of those
metal doors.
You've got metal
The
doors.
one set.
You've got metal doors on the end. These, the 40-foot length is 9'6" tall for your clearance. Now, Pearce Auctions doesn't transport these, so if you were to go on and bid on one of these, you would have to arrange your own transportation to wherever you wanted to go. So before you bid, if you want to consider that, look up companies that would transport cargo containers for you. This is an 8 by 40.
Would you think this would weigh about 7,000 pounds too, because it has nothing in it, or you think it's heavier than that?
I would guess this is probably pushing 9,000 pounds.
Okay.
But I'm not sure. It's something you could research really quickly. But these are clean, fresh, new. We're going to walk inside of this one, take a quick look around. But remember, right now, as of 2:30 p.m. Central Time, April 13th, 2024, these are between $3,600 and $4,100. You can go to auctionsbypearce.com, and it's PEARCE. We'll put links in the description of the video, and you can register. It doesn't cost you anything to register. Register to bid if you want to bid. If you want more information, you can contact them and they'll tell you about it. You are able to come out here and just walk on the lot and look at everything. They allow you to look at it. They tell you as much information as they can. We bought stuff from Pearce. Always been a great auction company to work with. There's a 10% buyer's premium on top of whatever the winning bid is, plus the sales tax for this area, which is right around 10%. So you're going to have to pay all that extra. They do take cash, credit card. They take money order. They take all major credit cards except American Express. So you can wire money to them as well. So you can transfer your money in several different ways. But again, 8 by 40, 320 square feet. This is one you would have to build out. You would have to put your insulation, your plumbing, your electrical, and all those good things in. It comes with a good solid wood floor, partially metal underneath where it can stand. And it gets a little echoey because we're inside a cargo box.
But you can figure out how to put drywall and some thin studs or something in here, right?
Yeah. When I was working in the asphalt business, we converted one of these cargo boxes into a laboratory to test materials in. So we came in, we put insulation in, and then we basically put paneling inside after we built that in. And then we were able to cut the steel, put in doors and windows and all those things. and ended up with a nice facility. It can get a little claustrophobic if you don't have enough windows. So that's one of the key things you have to keep in mind.
So you need a cutting torch or someone that has access to that.
That can cut you out for windows. You need plumbing, you need electrical, you need all those fun things. But a lot of people convert these containers. The only problem I have ever heard about these type of containers has to do with moisture. So
sweating.
So you've got to use materials that are water resistant, and you've got to do some type of vapor barrier.
And maybe consider a whole home dehumidifier. So
you're going to need your major systems. This is just your shell, but you're going to need your electrical, you're going to need your plumbing, you're going to need your heat, and you definitely need air conditioning. You're going to need your insulation, you're going to need your walls, you're going to need your cabinets, you're going to need your doors, your windows, and you're just going to need everything. But this is like building the frame of your house with a roof and a floor.
But 40 foot, that's amazing.
Yeah, 320 square feet. This is a lot of room. Now, if you go back to our previous video from Pearce, we showed you a foldable that gives you 400 square feet. So you get 80 more square feet than this. It's configured differently. It's more of a square, whereas this is more long and narrow like a single-wide mobile home.
Wouldn't you put your kitchen on the end? That'd be perfect.
Yeah, I'd put a kitchen. Yeah, because I'd want to have my bedroom and my bathroom near each other.
Right.
On one end, my kitchen on the other.
Matter of fact, since it's so narrow, what is this, 8 foot wide? I would probably put your bathroom just in this section back here where he's standing, and then in front of that I would put the bedroom.
Right.
So there you go. That would be plenty enough space up to this line right here to have your bedroom and your bathroom. Or would that just be? If that's the case, then guess what, guys?
That's 11 foot by 8 foot for that whole entire space.
You can choose whatever design you want because we have all these doors. You can choose to either seal over or you can choose to use it as your front door. So.
And I don't want to be the one that says this because Tammy's going to shake her head at me. But if it was me and I did a container home, I would shorten it a little bit and build me an exterior wall somewhere around here, maybe even here. That's taking a lot of square footage. But I'd build a wall and I'd use these two exterior doors. This would be my garage, my utility room. I'd put my water heater here. I'd put my whatever, maybe put your water heater over there, but I would put all my tools and all the things I used to work with, I would crowd them.
But there'd be a problem with that. And here's the problem.
Okay.
You have to have a bathroom, and bathrooms can't be this narrow, 4 foot narrow. It'd be too tight for a toilet and everything. So it'd be best to have your bathroom towards one end of or the other way. And then your kitchen would have to be at the other end because you need all that light. You don't want it to be claustrophobic and dark.
No,
you want light.
Basically, just have a wall here.
Right.
Because those are too big though. Well, you could, but you would have all.
I don't even know if that's a door right there.
Yeah, those are doors.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I'd make a portion of it.
Because that side is not a door. There's no door on that side.
And that's just solid, so I would stick the bedroom up there. So yeah, there's your nice little storage container.
Lots of options, not just a storage container.
Right now,
but a home.
The 3 containers that they have this size are going about $4,000. They have 20-foot containers, which is half of this, 160 square foot, and they're going right now around $2,300. So again, that's 8 by 20. That's bigger than the Incredibox by 4 feet. Well, they do make an 8 by 20 Incredibox, but $2,300. It may get bid up to $4,000. but you're not, I know the Incredibox gives you a toilet and a shower and a little bit of kitchen cabinets and some electrical and a little bit of plumbing, but the difference between $4,000 and 18, 19, 20, 25,000 bucks, it ain't. I mean, between 8 to 20 is $12,000. That toilet in the Incredibox is a $150 toilet. The light fixture is a $15 light fixture in the kitchen. So
The shower is about $399, about $400 bucks.
$400 shower.
Right.
And $300 worth of cabinets. So
Right.
it doesn't make up that difference. So, but this one is not on wheels, so you're not going to tow it behind you, but you're going to have it flatbedded to wherever you are. So again, Pearce doesn't do any delivery, but you'd have to arrange that yourself.
Or if you choose to find you a lot in Alabama, you could do that too. But you better hurry, I guess.
Yeah. And again, Auctions by Pearce, P-E-A-R-C-E. We're here. It's Thursday it's Friday afternoon, the 13th of April. And an ambulance is going by right now.
Of course.
But we want you to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure, if you're a regular viewer, double check, make sure you are subscribed. And hit that notification bell. And when you get a minute, watch our other video from Pearce, which covers the ADU, the fold-out cargo container, which is really, really cool. And I'm going to try to put that video here, or maybe here, but probably here. It may show up down there or over there, but I'm going to try to put it right about here so you guys can watch it. All right, and I got to lean down because those video things are going to be right here. So y'all have a good day, good evening, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. Hope you enjoy your springtime, and we'll catch you on the next one.